బాగా నచ్చింది ఈ సారీ.
చాలా వర్క్ మొత్తం
మంచి వచ్చింది, అంటే హెవీగా వచ్చింది, ఫినిషింగ్ ఉంది, మంచి జరీ బార్డర్ వచ్చింది కదా. ఇక మన పెళ్ళికి అయితే సూపర్ ఉంటుంది ఈ సారీ. నైట్ టైం మంచి ఫైన్ అవుతుంది, ఇంకా సూపర్ ఉందిలే. సో 3 పీస్ సెట్లు వచ్చినాయి నిన్న. బాగా చేయాలి కదా, బాగా చేయాలి. సరే ఇస్తా. నాకు
3 పీస్ సెట్లలో కస్టమర్స్ మన దగ్గరకు వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు చాలా మంది బిలో 1500 లోపు అడుగుతున్నారు మేడం. సో
1500 మన కాడ చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా మేడం. 1500
మీరు వేసుకున్న డ్రెస్ కూడా బాగుంది.
ఇది మన స్టోర్దే కదా.
అవును మేడం.
సరే అయితే కొన్ని చూపిద్దాం ఈ రోజు మనం 1500 బిలోలో, లైక్ ఆఫీస్ వేర్ కి కానీ వాళ్ళకి యూస్ఫుల్ ఉంటాయి కదా. నువ్వు వెళ్ళి ఏం చేయాలంటే నాకు కొన్ని పీసెస్ సెట్ చేసి పెట్టు 1500ది. నేను ఆ లోపు ఇది బార్కోడ్స్ చూసుకొని ఈ డ్రెస్ తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. నువ్వు అయితే నాకు ఒక పని చేయాలి, కౌంట్ చెప్పు. నువ్వు ఇందులో రాసుకో.
ఓకే.
సెట్ వైజ్ రాయి ఏమేమి సైజెస్ వచ్చినాయి అని, నేను వచ్చిన పార్సల్లో. ఓకే guys, I'll start with which I am wearing now. Very lovely wine shade, and this is pure cotton fabric. Comes in hakoba pattern throughout the top and with straight cut bottom. And here's the lovely dupatta. And the top comes with the lining. It's very comfortable for workplace. ఇందులో ఏం సైజెస్ ఉన్నాయి రవిద్య?
S2 3XL మేడం.
Okay, we have in this present S2 3XL sizes, pricing at just 1500 rupees only, and available in website, present in store also. So we have some dresses to show you under 1500. Okay, the dresses are set. Oh, you get very good pieces. Okay guys, we have so many collections to show you in 1500 below. Okay, we'll start with this lovely shade. Very beautiful color. And it comes with viscose silk fabric and with the matching bottom, straight cut bottom. Look at the yoke part. Very lovely embroidery work detailing at the yoke part. And the dupatta is very beautiful. With organza fabric, soft organza fabric. It have a digital floral pattern. Looks very colorful. And we'll see the price. Actual price is 2300. Now after the discount, this dress comes at 1500 rupees only, and available sizes S2 XXL. S2 XXL. This dress is perfect for temple visits or office wear. This. And I'll show you this. One of my favorite dress. Very lovely royal blue shade. This also in viscose silk fabric, and it have collar neck. And the top detailing is very beautiful. This side it have embroidery detailing work, and it comes with buttons here. And this is also straight cut bottom, and this is having lining attached, cotton lining. And here we go, the dupatta, matching dupatta. This is also in soft organza fabric with very lovely floral bunch pattern, digital pattern. And this dress is perfect for any like party wear, or if you're having any special occasions like birthdays and any like kind of special occasions, you can wear this. And this price range is 2500 actual price, and after the discount we'll be getting at 1500 rupees only. Available sizes M to XXL. Very pretty dress. This looks very classy on you for any occasion. And this is just 1500 only, and this also available in website. And if you like any collection, you can DM me. And here we go. Okay. This is very casual 3-piece set in black. Everyone love black. This is in pure cotton fabric again, and comes with V-neck at the yoke part, and very lovely pattern on the top, and it comes with matching straight cut bottom with the print again. And here's the dupatta. Here's the dupatta. See, it have very good length. Actually, our dupattas having very good length and very soft. And look at the pattern for the dupatta. Very lovely. And this is very budget friendly. Actual price is 2100 rupees. After the discount, you will be getting just 1250 rupees only. And available sizes M, L, XL. We have only 3 sizes available in this, so hurry up for this dress. Just 1250. Just look how pretty it is, and this perfect for casual wear and for office wear, and easy to maintain and easy wash also. Wow, very pretty dress in peach shade. Just look at this. Perfect dress for like meetings also. This dress is perfect for meetings. And it have a very beautiful embroidery detailing for the top and comes with matching bottom, and it have lining, cotton lining. And here's the dupatta. Look, very flowy dupatta, very soft, and it have very beautiful digital pattern for the dupatta and detailing lace also. And see, very good length, and no need to worry for the length of the dupatta. It have very good length. And a v neck, the neck is also having piping. And this price range is 2100 actual price. After the discount you'll be getting just 1500 rupees, and available sizes M to XXL. Actually we have another color in this mustard yellow, but that is all sold out. Very good piece this is. Hurry up for this collection. And 1500 only. Perfect dress. And we have more two dresses to show you. Here is the cotton silk, handloom cotton silk fabric. Very classy piece this is. And it have a digital floral pattern, big bunches, and it have cotton lining attached and straight cut bottom. Very lovely piece. Just look at the look. Perfect for office wear and for meeting wear and for temple visits. And here's the dupatta. And dupatta is also having very pretty pattern. Just look at the pattern with the gold zari lining edges border. Very beautiful dupatta, very good length, very comfortable and very lightweight dress at any season. Now it's summer season, so this is perfect dress. And this price range is 2300 actual price, and after discount you'll be getting it 1500 rupees only. Available sizes yes to XXL. As we have in yes size also, three piece sets. So many of you are asking for yes size, so we have so many collections in yes size also. So this comes in yes to XXL sizes available. Very pretty dress, just 1500 rupees only. This gives you a very classy look. And here we go, the last piece. This is very beautiful kalamkari pattern. Everyone love kalamkari, so this is in kalamkari pattern. Very lightweight flowy dress with a matching straight cut bottom again. Just look at the dupatta. It have very beautiful pattern, very classy look at budget. And this price range is 2500 rupees. After discount you'll be getting it for 1500 rupees only. Available sizes yes to XXL. Yes to XXL. So this now available in website also. You can order through website, or you can order through Instagram, WhatsApp, and you can come to offline also. Very pretty dress. Just look at the look, classy and very subtle look for office and for meetings. Just 1500 only. So today we saw almost 7 dresses under 1500 rupees budget, and these all now available in website and store, so you can order through any site. And for these collections, please visit Mani's Fashion Store. Thank you.